In this lesson, I will explain to you question number 24 of exercise 1.1, and question we have x over 2 negative 1 which is equal to 1 over 2 into x minus 5 plus 1. Right, again see we have fraction in this question, so we have to eliminate the fraction. How we have to eliminate the fraction? We have to multiply each term in such a way that this 2, instead of this 2, we should have 1. Means there should be a one denominator. One, if you have a one denominator, it means we can ignore it, right? So how we have to solve it? It is very easy. This is the solution. I will write down x over 2 negative 1 which is equal to 1 over 2 into x minus 5 positive 1. If we will multiply with 2, see here we have 2, here we have 2, and we have to eliminate this 2. So multiply each term by 2. So how many terms we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. So see, 2 1 time 2, 2 1 time 2. Here 2 1 times 2, 2 1 times 2. See, now we have 1 in the denominator, that is fine. So here we have only x left. X negative 2 1 time 2 which is equal to, here we have 1, so we can write down x minus 5 plus 2. Now here this is x variable, we will bring on one side, it will be negative x. Here we have minus 5 left, positive 2 on the right hand side, only we have negative 2 on the left hand side. Take the transpose, it will be positive 2, right? This is negative, when we will take the transpose it will be positive 2. So see, again this is 0, positive and negative is 0. So 0 is equal to minus 4 plus 4 which is equal to minus 1. Again it is not linear because here we do not have any x left. 0 is equal to negative 1. No solution, so not linear. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.